Welcome to Home Service Showdown. Today's match, ProSkill Services versus Chuck in a Truck. The challenge, an old heating and air conditioning unit in need of repair. ProSkill jumped right in, licensed, trained, and built for this. They'll tackle any unit, any age, anywhere in the valley. Is Chuck watching a DIY video? ProSkill's got the part. It's fixed. No mess, no stress, just skill. Poor Chuck. He's got soot on his face and shame in his soul. ProSkill does it again.
Raising the bar. That's 5-star. ProSkill Services.